Hello friends, Alexander here and you're on CryptoCoin System channel. On the channel we will talk about cryptocurrencies and we will inform you about various interesting projects, how to participate in them, in which I will participate myself. Subscribe to our channel that if you always want to be up to date. Please read the high-risk information. Our channel is for informational purposes only and does not force you to take any action. You do all the actions yourself at your own discretion and always understand all the risks before you do something. So let's get started. Today we will take part in the auction again, and I will show you how to do it. We are on parachains.info page, where you can find information about projects that take part in the auction and want to take their place in the ecosystem. On Kusama today we take part in the Picasso project, and as we can see they have already collected 66k. Then they tell us that they are collecting 200k, but they are collecting 100k, so they could win this auction. So with you we can see that there are about 6,000 people who have donated their funds. We also see that for one Kusama we get 20,000 Pico coin with them. We will have 2 billion tokens, this is 20% of the total amount. If you have not yet transferred your funds to Kusama, you can still make time for this project. Now let's take a closer look at this project. Here is some partial information about this project. I just want to point out that if you take part in this project, and if the project wins this auction, you will receive 50% of the token immediately, and the remaining 50% you will get in 48 weeks, which we will distribute linearly. Also in this project you can see the top investors. They are even marked as the strongest at the moment. If it's interesting you can read about them, and also see what projects they are spending money on. If they invest in such projects, we can invest to earn. Now let's go to the official website of this project and I will tell you a little about it and what is it. This Picasso project is mainly useful for DeFi developers and will be optimized for new innovative projects in the field of device design. Picasso also paves the way for composable project, which will provide Polkadot with a centralized financial ecosystem. We see that decentralized applications will be created regardless of their level, but you don't have to go into that if you are not application developer. We also see that a bridge will be generated to exchange resources with free networks. There will also be a launchpad where we will be able to buy tokens at an early stage. Now there is an article that one project will participate in this launchpad. It is called Magnata Finance. It is a centralized exchange. I will leave a link in English for anyone interested to read. The most important thing is not to forget all the information and then participate in time to make money in early stage. There is a lot of interesting information about this project, but I will talk in more detail about the bridge chains and how they work. We see this bridge, which is designed to exchange funds between networks. It will be very convenient to do everything. Now the industry of projects on blockchain is growing very fast, and let's say 1 year ago it was very difficult to change funds, and that took a lot of money, but now all this is expected to develop quickly. In this project we'll also be able to use the tab Earn. Here we can invest our funds with you and receive additional income. Now let's go to the official website of Picasso and take part in the auction. Here we click on Crowlodloan Picasso and we can see that we can deposit funds as in Kusama or stable coins such as USDT or USDC. But I personally will use Kusama tokens so that they will return to me later in the wallet. Here we click the KSM tab and then we need to connect our Polkadot wallet. If you don't have it, install it. If you don't know how, watch the video on the channel. Here you can see that I don't have coins in my account. I deposit via the Gate exchange. We also noted that the minimum replenishment threshold is a token of 0.1 KMS. Here I will leave my referral code, you can enter it in this line. Now let's copy our account number to top up KSM. Note that it should be in Kusama network, your account number, and now here we enter KSM and enter our account number on Kusama that we copied. Then we indicate the amount to top up. Then we indicate the information that the commission will be about $3 and the minimum withdrawal is 0.1 KSM. Then we enter our withdrawal passwords. Here, as you can see, my request was successfully sent and now I am waiting for them to reach my account. And now the tokens have entered my account and I have 0.2 KSM in my account. Then we enter how much we want to deposit. I give the amount of 0.2. For this we get 6000 Pico coins and now we confirm our participation. As you can see, everything is in order and our transaction was successful and we participate in this project. Now you see my referral code. I copy it and leave under the video in the description, and if you participate in this project, indicate this code. At this stage I have everything. Now you know how to participate in the auctions and how to get the tokens. I remind, if someone forgot right away, they will give us 50% of the tokens and the rest will go to our account within 48 weeks. After 48 weeks we will also return our Kusamas that we have placed in this project. Thank you all for watching this video. Write your questions in the comments if you don't understand something and I will try to answer as soon as possible. And remember about the risk in cryptocurrencies. Bye bye.